He's going all the way down. All right, Gray, you want to go again? You need some help, Johnny?
Right here, just where you want it?
Uh-huh. Let me know if you need some help.
I'll let you know.
I know it's heavy. Good job, Gray. That's your sponge.
No, that's my sponge.
Well, those sponges don't have names on them. They belong to both of you. There's 2 round ones and 2 big yellow ones.
Hey, let's go have tea.
Let's go see, kids. Look. Come see. Thank you very much for doing that. Look, the birds have a house. Come around here, Gray, and you can see it. The birds have a house now. They can fly and go in that little tiny hole. That's a very nice house.
Yeah. Let's go.
Yeah. You want to hold Gray and let her get an up close and personal look? Although maybe not. She's running away.